Hey, it's Deciphering AI, and today we will try MetaGPT, and we will use it with the GPT-4 API because the GPT 3.5 API was not intelligent enough. So we will use the more expensive GPT-4 CLI, API, but we will create a CLI game, and it is a snake game. So yeah, we will start it. So now, as you can see, the standard investment is $3 US, and yeah, that is the maximum. So it can also be less than the $3 US. So yeah, now the first one to act is Alice, the product manager, and she will create the product goals and also the user stories, as you can see, and a competitive analysis, and even a competitive quadrant chart. And she will also do a requirement analysis. And then Bob, the architect, continues with the file list, package name, and data structures and interface definitions, and the call flow. And then Eve is the project manager. So there are the packages that will be used. Okay, and now the code is being written. And again here, and now it's in real time, completely automatic. And yeah, the GPT-4 API is much slower than the Turbo GPT 3.5 API. But like I said, the GPT 3.5 just is not smart enough, which is why we have to use the GPT-4 API. Now it's almost 60 cents, the running cost. It also creates a software test, which is also quite nice. And now it's done. It was 82 cents. That's the total cost. And it is still below the maximum budget, which is $3 US. But now we are finished, and I can show you something. For example, I can show you the documentation. here are the required dependencies, and a analysis of the individual files, and then here you can see that there is even a diagram that was also created completely automatically, and a competitive analysis and user stories. So a lot of work has been done, and the system design is here. There's also a data structure diagram and a flow diagram, but here is the actual application, and let's try to run the main and see what happens. Yeah, and it does not work. So I have identified the error, and it's here in the self-generate, and no parameters are passed, so no canvas size and no size size. So there is an error in the source code, and it did not even compile. So even with GPT-4 it did not really work. So yeah, that experiment was not a success. I expected more of MetaGPT, because they claimed to be superior to AutoGPT, which also has a lot of problems, but apparently MetaGPT also has problems. So yeah, that was it. See you in the next video. Bye.